waves that once would pull and tear now move his breath within the air. No rise too high, no fall too deep, just ocean resting in its sleep. Each feeling still, yet still alive. Each ache now hums, each joy survives. But none can bind, and none can sway the peace that watches night and day. The storm still forms, the tide still turns, the fire glows, the waters burn. But every change, each bright release begins and ends within this peace. To fix, no need to plan. The sky still opens, breathes and spans. Emotion now is not a chain, it is the pulse that sings my name. To feel is not to lose my ground, it is to hear the deeper sound of life unfolding, soft, complete, of silence dancing on its feet. To feel is not to lose my ground, it is to hear the deeper sound of life unfolding, soft, complete, of silence dancing on its feet. Now every wave returns to still, each motion guided, free.